Welcome to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today we're going to replace the timer for my in-ground sprinkler system with this new Rainbird 6-zone timer. The one I have has been on the wall for about 9 years and it's starting to go, so it's time to replace it. Today we'll cover how to take out the old one, put in the new one, and then program it. So here's the old one. As you can see, when you turn the knob, it doesn't work, so that should say off. So we're having trouble with the knob itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is unplug the power and then label all the wires so I know which wire goes to which zone. The wires are now labeled and the unit can be taken down. So with these, it looks like you just push this in to get it to attach. There you go. Pretty easy. So you really just need a small screwdriver to get that nodule in. Okay, all hooked up. Now to plug it in. Okay, now we'll put the cover on and set it up. Okay, to set the time, you turn it to the set time piece. There's a set date. So now we just turn it to the zone that we want to schedule. So zone 1, the time, how long, and what days of the week. And that's it. We're done. The next time a zone will run is shown here with the number, the date, and the time. Current time is right there. You can see on the dial you have the auto run is set. You can turn it off. You can put it on a rain delay, so you can set the hours. You can adjust seasonal, which I haven't checked out yet. There's a water one zone now, and there's a water all zones now button. And then you can set each zone up to 4 times, and then swap days and do cyclic watering. Overall, a pretty nice setup. I'd recommend it. Very easy to install, very easy to program. So feel free to go ahead and go get one of these. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out these videos. We'll see you soon.